As anyone with a enclosed trailer, you know that over the years you will have to make some repairs, and we embarked on repairing the inside of the trailer, removing old plywoods and stripping it down to the bare metal. However, what we discovered is that there was a material used, a truck bed liner, that encapsulated the rust. And what you're looking at right now is not Euromeat, it is pieces of rust that have actually been removed. So let's take a look.
The front is not as bad, but even though it's sticking more.
No, but this guy has OCD and he wants to get it all out of the house ASAP. So let me touch base because we were hoping that it was something like my grandmother's or whatever, where you just go and put them.
So you can see that it can work. But in other areas, it's just completely rusted out.
As you can see, piles of this truck bed lining being removed.
So the problem is that the protective layer that they put actually made the trap the moisture, and now when I actually pull, you can see the amount of everywhere is just flaking off. And obviously, wherever it was weak, so as a result, I have to fight to remove all the plastic, but the plastic is just taking a huge amount of steel off to the point where this is the beam should be okay, but all the are just rusted all the way through. The back ones are worse than the front ones. But I'm gonna remove all the plastic that was trapping all the moisture. If it wasn't strong enough, we're going to replace it. We're going to check for trueness, and we'll have it better than it was.
So the walls were removed, exposing the rust both in the frame and the walls. We started grinding away the rust with grinders and sanders, and ultimately ended up removing some of the more damaged crossbeam, cleaning it up, and welding in some new pieces to solidify the horizontal pieces that support the wood.
Whoa! You okay?
My ass is good.
As long as your ass is good. You made it on video.
Oh, did I?
tongue of the trailer also had the truck bed liner and ultimately had lots of rust buildup under the truck bed liner sheet.
This is just some of the stuff that we removed from the front after we thought we were done. It is coming along. It appears that we're getting closer.
Once everything was said and done, all the removed truck bed liner with the rust was swept into a corner, removed, the tongue was cleaned up, painted, rust-proofed, new floor was installed, 3/4 inch pressure-treated plywood. The ramp that it was used was also upgraded, and D-rings were installed. The doors, the plywood in the doors were also removed and refreshed, ultimately to reveal a new and updated trailer.